I'm Veda Prather, broker with Prather Properties, and I'm here with Chandel and her husband Matt, and they're going to be sharing their story about selling their beautiful home.
Veda came over and she walked through the house with us, and she helped go through every single room and the entire outside and made sure that we knew just all the little things that we needed to do to get the house just right. In our previous home sale, we didn't listen to our realtor. We put the value on the home that we thought the home was worth, and we paid the price for it. Our home sat on the market for over a year. In this home, we listened to our realtor, we listened to Veda, and we listened to her market research, and we sold her home in 2 days. Technically, I like to think we sold her home on day one because the people who bought our home walked it on day one.
Matt, I saw that you gave me a 5-star rating on my business page this morning. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it.
Everything you did made our house look more classy. You gave us great advice as far as what we needed to repair, what we need to fix up, what we need to change. The staging of the house was great, even down to just leaving nice things out for people to eat or to drink whenever they had whenever we had the open house. It was the best experience I've had with the realtor.
I will say that my 5-star experience had to do a lot with after the home was sold. You know, after you've got the offer accepted, there's still so much that happens behind the scenes, and Veda was really great about keeping up with all the little things that didn't really cross my mind, and making sure that all the I's were dotted and all the T's were crossed to make sure that the home sale actually went through and didn't fall apart at the last minute.